Hi and welcome, this is Eleni, and today's video is about my process creating the cover for my 29 faces I have been sharing with you throughout February, and in the end there is also a flip through of all the faces. It starts at 8:10 if you like to hop over there directly. So as I've told you, it has been 10 years since I first participated in this challenge, and I did that by sharing one video each day throughout the whole month of February back in 2016. And I just did the same this year by recreating all those faces. So except from the videos of this past month, there are also the old ones that you can watch and see how I made the original faces. There is a playlist of all of them in the description box. So what I discovered about myself after this month is that the 10 years of art plays made me confident. When I sit down to do art, I know that I can fix whatever mishap happens because I have used my art supplies so many times that I know what each and every one of them can do and how they are reacting to each other. Another thing I discovered about myself was that I was very bold back then. I was very new at painting faces, but even so, I chose to do some difficult poses and angles that I can't achieve even to this day. That was fun to realize. Comparing my faces now and then, I think my new ones look younger. They are more round-faced and have bigger eyes, and in general more girl-looking than woman-looking. Maybe that is my style more, and maybe back in 2016 I used reference photos, who knows. It's just an observation I made. Other things I noticed is that I used to work with brown colors for the shading, contrary to the purple and blue colors I use nowadays, and I was also using markers for that, maybe because I used whatever acrylic paint I could find back then, and many of them were shiny. Now I mostly use colored pencils for the shading, as I know they will work well on all my matte acrylic paints that I'm using in my art journals. There are more differences I noticed, but I will not mention or analyze them all. What I want to point out is that although the faces are made by the same person and with similar techniques and art supplies, they may look alike but also very different. Are any of them perfect? No, they are not. Neither are they supposed to be. They are just creations resulted after joyful and loose plays with one's art supplies. And because the beauty is in the eye of the beholder, some of you may like the older faces more and others may like the newer ones best. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also don't hesitate to leave any questions you may have. If you want to know which faces are my favorites, just read the first comment under the video. And always keep in mind that art plays are intended for you to play. So just enjoy the time with your art supplies, keeping it free and easy, without striving for perfection, because that is how you will reap the benefits of it. Hope you've been enjoying my techniques, making them as much as I've been enjoying this month's art plays. All the faces were very fun to make, both back then, 10 years ago, and now. They gave me a lot of fun time with my art supplies and a lot of practice. And my goal when I started was to get some inspiration to get back in my art room, as I was absent for a while, and I can say I definitely achieved my goal, at least for the past month. We'll see how it goes from here. Thank you so much for being here. Please stay safe, happy, and creative. See you next time. Love and kisses.